Hi, how are you guys? My name is Dr. Charles Freeman. I'm an associate professor in our fashion design and merchandising program. I also lead our Center for Retail and Cotton Product Development here at Mississippi State University. And today we're going to be looking at some of the great inventions and ideas coming out of our wonderful, fabulous Moore Hall here. So let's go on inside.
I started out at Florida State University, doing my undergrad and my master's both in textiles and consumer sciences. I was a trained fashion designer. I went to work as a custom tailor for a few years after, and then decided to come back and pursue my PhD. And during that time, I really got excited about the concept of how designers think. And right out of graduate school, I had a fantastic opportunity here at Mississippi State University. I fell in love with the city, the campus, the people who were here. And so I'm starting my 10th year here at Mississippi State, and I couldn't be more excited about the things we have going on. So I teach in our product development area. So it's really taking the concept of, it's easy to make a piece of clothing or to make an item. How do you make 50 or 60,000 of them? And how do you get them all over the place? And from a research perspective, I look at developing new materials and how do we take some of the innovations that are being developed, whether it's through engineering, food science, chemical engineering, and how do we apply some of those to wearables and clothing. It is hands down the beat today, whether it is the students, when I'm working in my product development classes and some of the crazy ideas they come up with that I never would have thought of. And then faculty, the difference with faculty here at Mississippi State University as opposed to anywhere else is their ability and their openness and willingness to work with each other. I figure out how to put a textile, fabric, or a piece of material into any innovation or development. And then I love to get that onto a human body, whether that's improving health and safety through PPE, looking at tracking performance, improving performance in our athletes and athletics, or whether it is looking at protecting workers and occupation. Anything we can do to improve the quality of life for people is really what the key core of our research is about. Wow, a lot. We have a great project we're working on with our athlete engineering group with a wearable sock that's looking at tracking health and performance. We're just wrapping up a project where we've developed a new fiber to be used for ham nets to prevent mites. A commercial fishing project where we're developing smart PPE and smart PFDs for fishermen. The mask filtration testing, where we're doing a lot of testing on fabric masks and their filtration efficiency and fit analysis for those. And so we have quite a few projects going on right now. Very exciting time to be here. We would really like to get more into some smart textiles and really apply the electronics and the conductive fibers and fabrics into textiles. Our face filtration method that we just recently did, we were able to develop a methodology and a technology that helps us to standardize that testing to give better information to the public. And so we 3D printed a face that has a nasal cavity, breathing, and it fits into the standardized testing machines that we do to test the N95 and surgical masks. And the really neat thing about this is we were working on this project and had the technology developed even before the standards had come out from the CDC and ASTM International. The biggest challenge right now is going to be adoptability from individuals wanting to test to a standard. I just love the support that we get to allow us to continue to do what we love to do, and that's do great research.